Looking for a Klaviyo coupon code before signing up? That's a smart move. But if you're evaluating Klaviyo, the bigger question isn't how much it costs. It's whether it can generate more revenue than it costs. And that's exactly why so many e-commerce brands are moving to Klaviyo. Today, email marketing isn't just about sending newsletters anymore. The most successful brands are using customer data, automation, SMS marketing, AI-powered campaigns, and personalized experiences to increase customer lifetime value and drive repeat purchases. That's where Klaviyo stands out. Instead of managing separate tools for email, SMS, customer data, analytics, and automation, Klaviyo brings everything together into a single platform. Whether you're running a Shopify store, e-commerce brand, subscription business, agency, or growing online company, Klaviyo helps you create personalized customer journeys based on real customer behavior. One of the most interesting developments is Klaviyo's growing use of AI. Features like AI-powered campaign creation, automated customer support, predictive insights, customer segmentation, and intelligent recommendations help businesses move faster while improving marketing performance. That's one reason over 196,000 brands worldwide trust the platform. For many businesses, even a small increase in customer retention, repeat purchases, or email revenue can easily outweigh the monthly subscription cost. But before signing up, check the description below. I've included the latest Klaviyo discount link, available promotions, free plan details, and any current offers that may help you get started at the best possible value. And if you enjoy finding software deals, e-commerce tools, marketing platforms, SaaS discounts, and business resources that help grow revenue, subscribe to the channel, because that's exactly what we share here on a regular basis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.